Alhamdulillah. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. La hawla wala quwata illa billah. Masih bersama Mr. Chris from England. Testimony for my channel official Mustika Cijago, Jari Petir Depok.
Okay.
About your body.
I had lower back pain, herniated disc, and it's been causing leg problems for 6 weeks. I've just had one treatment and I'm smiling. I've got so much more movement in my back. My legs feel strong again, and I'll be coming back next week, definitely.
Salam sehat. Jari Petir Depok. Subscribe, Mr. Chris.
Subscribe, share, and like.
Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Pedas. Akbar mimma nakhafu wa aqdar la quwwata ma'al. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
Ya, kita dulu ini.
Oleh. Tensinya udah turun lagi belum? Berapa?
140.
Ini stroke nih sebelah kanan ya?
Ya.
Baru 3 hari 4 harian nih. Ya semoga sehat kembali, penonton doain dimanapun berada. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Tet, colek.
Tahan Jung.
Tahan. Kita mau lihat mah enak bae ya. Buset ngerasainnya. Pegangin Bang Sekjen, Bang Sony Bob. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Insyaallah. Red. Mantap ya. Itu Bang colek. Ya, sip. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.